This is Jamie with Priced Right Sales. We are doing a video today to feature our product of the week. You are gonna love this one. It's Audiopipe's new compression horn mid-range speaker. So this is not your normal typical basic mid-range speaker. This has a compression horn built in. So not only are you going to get the lows and the mid-range, you're also going to get that high-end vocal sound that you would get out of the tweeter. This speaker will play and pick up frequencies from 95 hertz all the way up to 20,000 hertz, giving you a great low and high musical range. So if you're looking to take your system to the next level, this is definitely going to be it. I'm going to go into some of the features of this speaker so you can kind of see why this is one of my favorite new products. So this speaker comes with a really stylish front cover to protect the speaker for you guys that are going to install these in custom applications. You can also not use the cover and install this behind your regular door panel. This product features their newly designed liquid metal basket, which is as strong as steel yet lightweight. So you don't have that real big, bulky, heavy metal basket that your typical mid-range has. You'll see on here two terminals. One is going to be for the actual mid-range speaker. The other is going to be for the actual compression horn. So included with this speaker is an actual crossover network that is 12 dB per octave. So it's going to come with all the wires you need to hook this up to your incoming speaker wire and give you outputs to both the compression horn and the mid-range speaker. It's also going to come with a foam gasket to seal around the edges to help you out in most any application. One of my favorite features about this speaker is the design of the cone and the quality and craftsmanship that went into building this speaker. It has a lightweight carbon fiber cone with a reinforced cloth surround. This is going to give it the ability to hit those vocal notes and be clean, crisp, and accurate. Also, you'll see the center of this speaker looks different than your typical mid-range. That's where you're going to see the compression horn. This is what's going to pick up your higher notes, your more vocal notes, and give you that crisp, balanced sound that this speaker is going to produce for you. Whether you have or haven't heard of Audiopipe, I promise you this will meet and exceed your expectations as far as quality and performance. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to check out the link below this video to purchase or see more information about this speaker and other products we carry.